So we all know about Connect 4.0. The name says it all. With the motto of Get Connected, Stay Connected.
It all began
We at
over
Panasonic
100 years
offer you
ago.
products and services to connect with each one of you, and of course with the products and services to connect this wonderful nation. A connection that results in the sharing of ideas, collaborations on a project, and a seed planted for an opportunity yet to come. This connection needs to be fostered to become a meaningful to outpace the market growth.
So first and foremost, anyone who is having the 20 rupees ka coin? Anyone? Now check your purse. I can see the raised hand. Okay. होता है, किसी किसी के पास होता है. We have the coin collector here. So, who is having it? Okay. अब मैंने जिसका सबसे पहले हाथ उठा हुआ देख लिया ना, मैंने उन्हीं के पास जाना है. I told you. So you have to be very quick. Okay, you have to check it quickly if you have it. So you have it? No? ये मतलब अलग ही है. मुझे ऐसी बुलाना तो मैं आ जाती. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Anyone who is having it? 20 rupee का coin. Anyone? If you could just check. It might be somewhere there. और सभी नोट वाले हैं यहाँ पे. ऐसा है? Anyone who is having it?
I'm really very excited for the evening. I am very much delighted to have such energy when it comes to in-house sessions. But let me tell you, this evening brings you a lot of energy. This evening brings you a lot of information and foremost, a lot of greetings and networkings. We are going to meet the like-minded people. We're going to share a lot of knowledge and whatnot. So cheers to this wonderful evening altogether. And ladies and gentlemen, now is the time when we're going to start with the formal day. And for that matter, we are going to move forward for the lamp lighting. It is very rightly said that whenever we start an auspicious work, we always pay our regards to Almighty, to the creator of life.
But the evening is not yet over. This evening is looking forward to have a networking dinner, of course, with the cocktails. Now this evening is going to be a little more informative when you will be talking to one. Also, we are having an amazing display of all the products there. So if by any chance you are having any questions, any queries, anything you always wanted to ask, this is certainly the very right time to do so. With that said, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for making it here today. Thank you so much for taking the time out from your heavy schedules and marking this spectacular evening with your glorious presence. एक बार अपने लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you all are heroes.